In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicate contacts in ActiveCampaign. Have you ever scrolled through your contacts list only to notice that certain names or emails seem to appear more than once? It's something that happens to the best of us, but not to worry. Today, we'll be walking through the process of identifying and removing duplicate contacts in ActiveCampaign, making sure your contact list stays clean and organized. First, let's start by navigating over to the Contacts section within your ActiveCampaign account. This is your main hub for managing and viewing all the individuals and organizations that you interact with. Once you're there, we're going to use one of the most powerful tools at your disposal, the Search or Advanced Search feature. This handy tool allows you to sift through your contacts by specific identifiers like names, companies, phone numbers, and email patterns. Using these search features, you're better equipped to zero in on potential duplicates. If you're working with a particularly large list of contacts, try narrowing it down by using consistent email patterns or common spelling variations in names that might cause a duplicate to occur. It's always a good idea to double-check your results at this stage to ensure you haven't missed any matches that could clutter your database. Once you've identified your duplicates, you'll want to take the next step, which is opening one of those duplicate records. You can do this by simply clicking it directly from the search results. Now, here's where ActiveCampaign's interface makes it pretty straightforward. You'll notice a down arrow icon, typically located in the Contact Details section. This icon holds the key to decluttering your contact list. Go ahead and click that arrow, and a drop-down menu will appear. This is where you select the Merge option. Merging lets you combine multiple records for the same individual or contact into a single, neat entry. Clicking on Merge will lead you to a set of prompts that will guide you through selecting which pieces of data from each record you'd like to keep. Be attentive as you go through this process, because you'll have the opportunity to review and choose the most accurate information to retain in the final unified record. By following these steps with care, you ensure that all information is consolidated into one comprehensive contact entry. At the end of this process, your contact list is not only more manageable, but also more accurate. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and some thoughtful reviewing, you've successfully located and merged duplicate contacts in ActiveCampaign. Keeping your contacts organized means fewer headaches down the road and more time for building meaningful connections. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy organizing.